This is you. You've put in the hours, studied the charts, maybe even taken courses and joined groups. You're smart, you're committed, but your results, they don't match the effort that you've put in. That disconnect is what I'm going to expose today. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your execution isn't consistent, why your profits aren't predictable, and what must change to fix it permanently. I've walked hundreds of traders through this same process behind closed doors, and I've seen the transformation firsthand. Traders come to me with their slowly bleeding portfolios and PTSD of past blown accounts and have been able to shift into consistent, predictable growth in a matter of months. How did they do it? Well, they followed a proven path that incorporated specific methodologies that I have invested over a decade of my time and more than $200,000 mastering. And now I'm pulling back the curtain for you so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you aren't getting the results that you want and how to fix it. Trading success, when you boil it down, comes to just two things: a technical analysis system and the mindset to execute it consistently. Think of it this way: your TA system is the vehicle and your mindset is the ability to drive it. There are three stages traders go through as they begin trying to assemble their vehicle: the technical analysis system, and then learn how to drive it, mastering their mindset. I'm going to show you how to diagnose which stage you're in and how to progress to the next. Stage 1 is information purgatory. This is where you try to learn everything technical analysis related. We all start out here, learning random indicators, tools, and strategies, but your results are inconsistent or just straight up bad. To progress to stage 2 is when you realize that it's not about more information, it's about having a structured system. Welcome to stage 2. This is where we begin searching for systems and more quantitative strategies. Traders get stuck here, jumping from system to system because they are either still inconsistent or break-even traders. And for the few that find slight profitability, they soon realize that if they want to reach their fullest potential, they must progress to stage 3. In stage 3, you have a proven and structured system with fixed variables, and you've realized that your inconsistent execution of it stems from your mind. Now, emotions get in the way, hijack your logical mind, and disrupt your results. To progress out of this last stage and bathe in the riches that lie on the other side, it's all about creating a trader's mindset that can execute your trading system consistently. Unfortunately, most traders quit in stage 1 or 2, but the ones who break through, they learn how to align the vehicle and the driver, and beautiful things happen when you do. Here's how to find out where you are right now. I want you to ask yourself two questions. 1, do you have absolute clarity on the conditions of your system? And 2, is your system back-tested and proven? If you answered no to either one of these, then the system technical analysis is your bottleneck. If you answered yes to both of these, then your bottleneck is 100% your mindset. Based on your answer, if the bottleneck is your system right now, then you need to turn those two questions into yes answers, and don't focus on anything else until you do. If you need a structured and proven system, check out a free training on the one that I use. The link will be in the description below. Now, if your bottleneck is the mindset, let me give you a 30,000 foot view of the path that you're going to take in order to fix this. I'll also drop a more in-depth breakdown up here when I've uploaded it. An easier way to think about the word mindset is that it's a set of thoughts and beliefs that you navigate from. Every result we generate for ourselves in life follows this path. You have a thought. That thought produces an emotion. From that emotion, you take an action. And from that action comes a result. Now, if you want to adopt a trader's mindset, you must first become aware of the beliefs you're navigating from so we can disprove them and then implant new ones. Now, most traders only reflect on their actions or maybe their emotions. So let me give you an example of what this process should look like. John, one of my students, had a solid strategy, but every time he took a loss, he hesitates on the next valid setup. Now, why is this? It's because his thoughts were, the last time I did this, it went against me. Or, I just took a loss. I must not be on my A game. I should just wait. Or, I just took 2 losses. I'm probably wrong here too. Now, those thoughts created doubt and insecurity, which drove hesitation and led to missed trades, even though his system said, pull the trigger. Now, he was operating from a limiting belief that his past trades can influence or predict his future trades. And once John shifted that belief to every trade is independent, my past doesn't predict my next outcome, everything changed. The hesitation disappeared and he executed with confidence. As a result, he captured the big trades he'd missed before, and they'd carry his account. Now, if you're in stage 3, then your first step is to start becoming more aware of your thinking during trading and extract the beliefs that you're operating from. So let's recap. At the start, I promised to show you why your effort and knowledge don't match your result. And now you know. It all comes down to 2 components: your system and your mindset. If your system isn't clear or proven, fix that first. If it is, but your results are still inconsistent or not profitable, then it's your mindset. And that's where permanent success is built. Your results aren't random. They're the product of either a broken vehicle or a distracted driver. Fix the right problem and your execution becomes consistent, your profits predictable, and your confidence renewed. I'm going to help you out with this in my next video by exposing the 5 biggest trading beliefs holding you back and how to rewire them. If that's a video you want, then comment the word mindset below and like this video so I can see the interest to drop it next. Now, if you'd like a different video instead, share your struggle in the comments below and I'll make sure to resolve it in a future video. You can expect me to drop 2 videos every Wednesday and Friday each week. Much love.